Whoops.
We're back.
Yes, we are.
And to talk about where to go when you need food fast.
Like a fast food place. I
Right.
don't like fast food though.
Mm, mm, mm.
We got $5 pizza. At,
$5.
where's that, Little Caesars?
Mhm.
Yeah, $5 pizza at Little Caesars.
It's super good.
Oh my gosh, that is. Mostly
And it
because
has the
I'm
3 main
hungry.
food groups.
Yeah, got cheese on it.
That's calcium.
And got pepperoni.
That's protein.
And bread.
That's carbs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And,
What's up?
and everything's got water in it, so that means we're getting some water.
Hydrogen. I mean,
Agua.
agua. There's hydrogen and oxygen, which makes water, right?
I don't know.
H2O.
Yeah,
Take that chemistry class.
like we did.
Like she did. I did take chemistry
Oh,
last year.
me too. 2 years ago. Alrighty.
Anyways,
Yeah.
don't go to McDonald's.
That's gross.
They don't support the main food groups.
No, they don't.
I believe with all of my heart that every single thing that comes out of that place is like, did you ever see the SpongeBob episode when they're
Yeah.
making Krabby Patties?
Mhm.
And it's like this like goop stuff, and then they like form molds, and then they paint it.
Yes, I feel like that's what it is.
That's what McDonald's is.
Mhm.
And Burger King,
Slightly better, but
not
not really that
Not
great.
the best.
They have good shakes.
really good shakes.
Uh-huh.
We went there and got them one time.
And we brought our own food into the place and just got shakes and ate mac and cheese there.
Mac and cheese.
Mhm.
That's another good one.
Yeah.
If you're in a pinch, make some mac and cheese. All you need is
yeah.
boiling water.
The dog wants, and that's okay.
He wants it.
So yeah.
He knows this has the food groups.
Everybody knows the food group.
I hope this answered your questions.
About what to do when you need food fast.
Yeah!
Booyah.